This is Nesting Frames die set from Altenew. This is a high-quality steel die set with 6 individual dies. This set of dies includes 6 versatile shaped elements with an embossed line for added interest. They are perfect for cards, scrapbooks, or for creating tags on gifts and packages. They can be layered or used alone and are a great addition to any crafter's crafting space. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about the Nesting Frames die set from Altenew, its featured projects and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.